What's up, everybody? This is Mountain Bike Mike, Team Devastation. This is my updated bike check. As you can see, now I have chrome parts, chrome and blue. We got Alienation Black Sheep rear rim, and that's laced to a that is a Mission hub, but it looks just like a fucking Odyssey hub. Eastern Stealth cranks, pretty old. Chain wheels, a Kink sound, and as you can see, the bitch is broken. That happened down in Galesburg. We got Odyssey twisted PC pedals, premium refuse resist back tire, fat as fuck. Doesn't even really fit in the back dropouts very well. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just barely, almost touching the frame on both sides. And as you can see, it's fucking back there on the dropouts. We got KMC drop buster chain. That is brand new. Then we got chrome Eastern nitrous bars. They are 8-inch, I believe. 2008, stock off of a Eastern Ace of Spades. Then we got Eastern nitrous forks, also off the 2008 Ace of Spades. PBR front rim, piece of shit. Mission Echo front hub, also a piece of shit. Demolition, I'm not sure what brand, I think they're Team, or what style they are. And we got this shitty Mission stem. Stock seat, stock post, stock clamp, and all the bearings in it are stock, integrated head tube, mid bottom bracket. Yeah, it's my bike.